Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question 37 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question goes like this. Your elder brother wants to buy a car and plans to take a loan from a bank for his car. He repays his total loan of rupees 1,18,000 by paying every month starting with the first installment of rupees 1,000, and he increases the installment by 100 every month. Based on the information given above, answer the following questions. Question 1. Find the amount to be paid by him in the 30th installment. According to the given scenario, the AP is 1000, 1100, 1200 and so on. From here we get A as 1000 and the common difference is 100. A30 is equal to A plus 29D. A is 1000 plus 29 times 100, which is rupees 3900. Question 2. If the total number of installments is 40, what is the amount paid in the last installment? The question is asking us to find out A40, which is A plus 39D. A is 1000 plus 39 times 100. 1000 plus 3900, which is rupees 4900. Question 3, part A. What amount does he still have to pay after the 30th installment? Now for this question, we have to calculate the sum of all the payments from the first payment till the 30th payment, and then we have to subtract that from the total amount. S30 is equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where n is 30 into 2 times 1000 plus 29 times 100, which is 15 into 2000 plus 2900, which gives us rupees 73,500. The amount to be paid is total loan minus S30. Total loan is 1,18,000 minus 73,500, which is rupees 44,500. B part of the third question, find the ratio of the 10th installment to the last installment. A10 is equal to A plus 9D, which is 1000 plus 9 times 100, that is rupees 1900, and we have this A40 already, which is rupees 4900. A10 is to A40 is equal to 1900 is to 4900, which is 19 is to 49. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.